Today, we'll explain the benefits of horse chestnut and how you can use them. So, let's get started. Helps with circulation problems. Horse chestnut contains esquin, a special compound found only in this plant. Esquin strengthens the walls of veins, making them less leaky and improving blood flow. This makes horse chestnut a great natural remedy for varicose veins. Horse chestnut can also be helpful for other circulatory conditions because of its ability to protect blood vessels. It is effective in treating chronic venous insufficiency, bleeding, or poor circulation, which can show up as frequent bruising or skin redness. It can be applied to the skin in more severe cases like bleeding, but taking it internally offers longer-lasting benefits. Regulates menstruation. This plant is rich in prostaglandins, which are lipids that can cause the uterus to contract and shed its lining. If a woman is not getting her period, consuming horse chestnut can help trigger and regulate menstruation. Additionally, it's common to feel heaviness in the legs during menstruation, and horse chestnut can ease this discomfort due to its flavonoid content. Relieves diarrhea. Drinking horse chestnut tea can help stop diarrhea. This is because of its astringent properties, which reduce excess water in the large intestine. The main cause of watery stools. It is especially useful for easing chronic stomach issues that involve diarrhea. Treats bleeding gums. When applied to bleeding gums, horse chestnut can help reduce discomfort due to its astringent properties. Using it as a mouthwash can help strengthen sensitive bleeding gums, reduce inflammation, and minimize bleeding even in cases of gingivitis. Heals wounds. Besides helping with oral issues, horse chestnut can also be used to heal skin wounds. Its venotonic properties improve blood flow, which speeds up the healing process. Additionally, it helps reduce inflammation in damaged tissue, promoting quicker recovery. But before we continue, here's a quick quiz for you. What is the botanical name of horse chestnut? Aesculus hipocastanum, Fagus sylvatica, Quercus robur, Juglans regia. Think about it carefully, because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. How to take horse chestnut. The leaves, bark, and seeds of the horse chestnut are commonly used. For internal use, it's recommended to prepare an infusion. The suggested dose is 3 cups a day, taken before the meals. For topical use, you can make poultices to apply directly to the skin. To prepare them, boil 3 chestnuts in half a liter of water for 10 minutes. Once the mixture is warm, apply it to the affected area. You can apply it directly or use gauze for easier cleanup. Let it sit for an hour and repeat this process 2 more times a day. In health food stores, horse chestnut is available in various forms such as tinctures, extracts, balms, capsules, or gels. Regardless of the form, it is advised not to exceed 400 mg per day. Contraindications. Horse chestnut should be avoided by pregnant or breastfeeding women, as well as by people on anticoagulant medication. It is also contraindicated to take it alongside aspirin, ibuprofen, and naproxen. Side effects. Overconsumption can lead to anxiety and gastrointestinal issues due to the presence of saponins. It may also cause drowsiness, nausea, and vomiting. It is important to know that horse chestnut has moderate toxicity, so it's best to use it under the guidance of a doctor. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? Well, the correct answer is A, Aesculus hipocastanum. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.